So I took Mark Cuban's last 4 books, fed them into AI. I took Mark Cuban's keynotes for the last 3 years, fed them into AI. I built Mark Cuban as an assistant in my office. Oh, appreciate you, man. Thanks for coming. Appreciate you, okay?
Engineer myself.
Oh, cool, man. The winner. Guys, content is the winner, right? Whoever's making the most content is going to win this race.
We're at the ASTRA Toy Show in St. Louis. This show is an integral part of our development cycle. It basically allows us to connect with retailers, our sales reps, and really just tighten up the feedback loop as we prepare to introduce new items into the market.
Bye. Take care again.
So he comes over and he draws, takes the picture, he plays his game. And this kid is so excited, he picks up the paper, his drawing, and he turns around to his mom, and he literally has tears coming out of his eyes, and he says to his mom, "I never thought I could make my own video game." Oh, so close. That's why I do this.